Hi guys, I'm back for another video after a while. Sorry I haven't been posting. Lately was just haven't found the time. We've got a lot of new additions and new things to the shed. As you can see, these are two red mosaic chicks. Very nice. And these, we believe, are going to be more of a red factors, but their parents were a male red factor and a female agate. Very nice birds. These are new. These aren't ours. Well, they are now, but we bought these from John Musterman. Two yellow mosaic agate chicks, agate opal. Very nice, male and female. These are the red mosaic agate opal chicks we bought. There's the male, very nice. And there's the female. This guy here is one of our red mosaic agate topaz chicks with the opal female, that one of the opal females we got from John. These are just babies. We have separated some of the males with the females. This is the father of these two chicks here. Here he is. This is one of our old red mosaic males. Well, older. Here are two agate birds. One yellow mosaic agate and one red. Two males. And here we've got our pair of lizards. Very nice birds, very tidy. So, this is our older lizard, 2019 bird right there. Still good. This is one of our other red factor males. And they're two males. This is our last nesting pair right here. This is the male. The female's there. If you can see, is chick, but she's got two right there. So we've got quite a few from this pair. This should be their last nest. These are two red factors. As you can see, this is the older 2019 bird. This is our variegated red factor female. This is one of our gate females with a red mosaic. Yes, another red mosaic here. Females all in here. As you can see, this is new. This is our new flight as the door. Got a little slidey thing to put the birds in here. There's one of our yellow mosaic agate chicks with one of our red mosaic agates. There's red mosaics up there and stuff. We've also got a new floor, which is here. So, a lot of new things, guys. So, bye bye, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.